To Elle's Nails, where it doesn't take $1,000,000 for your nails to look like $1,000,000. Today, I'm going to talk about a tragedy that happened to me. Shortly after I did these really awesome fall nails, my thumbnail broke, and it is a pretty bad break. If you can see, it is way down there, right there, and it's a pretty nasty one. So I am going to show you how I can patch that. And this is my first time ever doing it because I've never broken my nail that bad before. But I'll show you how to patch it with just a few things that you have lying around the house. First thing you are going to need is a tea bag. Any tea will do because we actually just need the bag itself. So you can take the tea and just dump it out, throw it away, or if you have like a diffuser thing, then you can still use it, but you just need the tea bag, a pair of scissors, some nail glue. If you don't have that, nail glue is basically super glue, so you could probably just use that. A pair of tweezers comes in handy. A cuticle pusher, optional, but helps to flatten down the surface of your tea bag. And then a nail polish buffer, a nail buffer. This one's kind of ratty. I don't recommend using a nail buffer on a regular basis because it does weaken your nails. But today I am going to need that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my tea bag into the shape of my nail. So I'm going to do that and I will be back. Okay, so I got the tea bag pretty much shaped to the shape of my nail. And so now I am going to quickly put on some of my nail glue. So I am going to, if I can get the bottle open, quickly paint that onto my nail. Okay. Now making sure that we have the tea bag completely covering the break, I am going to apply this to my nail. And then I'm going to take my cuticle pusher and flatten it out. Now, as you see, I intentionally made this a little bit longer than my nail, so I'm going to trim off the excess. And now I am going to take more of that nail polish glue and apply it on the top of my tea bag here. And I am going to tuck in the top a little bit. And smooth everything down. Okay, I'm going to let this dry a minute and then I'm going to come back in and do another coat. Okay, so that's dry now, so I am going to go ahead and apply a second coat of this nail polish glue just to make sure everything is really secure. I want to especially get in there where my break is. Oh, you can't see it. Get in there where my break is and get a nice amount of nail polish glue right there. Okay, once again, I'm going to let that dry and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that my foam is all dry, I am going to buff it with the nail buffer to smooth it out a bit. We're going to actually do the tip of it too. This is a really difficult angle. Okay. That's pretty smooth. All right, once you have it buffed the way you like it, you just, once it's smooth, and it's fairly smooth, not perfect, but fairly smooth, then we will apply, I'm all blurry, sorry about that. I'm going to apply nail polish the way I would normally, and then I will show you what it looks like at the finishing results. Alright, there is my thumb all painted back up. As you can see, it is slightly lumpy now, but it's much better than having a horrible break in your nail. So with this patch, don't recommend you put pure acetone on your nails if you plan on changing your nail polish. Get one of those acetone-free ones. It's going to take a lot longer to get my nail polish off, but I should be able to wear this patch for a week or two, and then I will tragically have really short nails, and unless I put another patch on, which I might have to do because it's really deep. I don't know how long it's going to take me to grow that out enough that I can cut it. But that is it for this time. And we'll see you next time.